All right, guys. So in preparation to wrapping my wife's car, I'm going to do a lot of disassembly on this thing. So that's going to be the first video part, is doing all the disassembly. So we're going to take apart all the plastics, or lots of the plastics, door handles, stuff like that has to come off in order for me to wrap it properly. So we're going to start with this plastic on this door. This one's going to be your typical clips into the door all the way around. So we're just going to start by popping those guys off. All right, so as you guys can see, she got the first clip off here, and it's just those clips where it's got two tabs, one right here on this side, and then one on that side. You can use these guys, just get in there, pop those guys out. So we're going to continue that all the way along so we can get this whole trim off, so we can get our wrap tucked away nicely in there. All right, so we got these bottom two off, and like I said, it's just those clips. Just got to be careful not to scratch paint. Now we're going to try to take this one off, and this one has a bunch of screws. I'm sure my mic is still on. Yeah, this one's got a bunch of Torx screws all the way along, which now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have brought a bit from home. So we're going to try to figure that out, get all these Torx screws out, and then there's going to be clips on the inside here that we got to take out. Just to give you guys a better idea of what I'm talking about, there's all these guys. And then over here, I don't know if there's one there or one down here. No. Okay. Yeah, so that's just going to be clips in there. So a lot more disassembly that was needed, or a lot more pieces that were needed to take out on this to take out the wheel well. There was some more screws, Torx screws back here, another one back there, another one here, one underneath here, and then three here, 1, 2, 3, two there that were let's see what mil I grabbed here, 7 mil. So two there, one there, and one there. And then one clip up here, which is just a plastic clip. This guy right here, one of those up there. And then after that, we were able to take the whole liner out. And it is disgusting. But these liners just get disgusting. So we'll have to clean that up yet. And it made the floor disgusting. So lots of cleanup here after you do more of this disassembly. But now we can go in and pop all these clips out easily to take out this fender and pop the bumper loose to be able to wrap in everywhere nicely. So we'll have to pop this off. Not convinced that I'm going to take the headlight out, because I can always wrap underneath this seal, but we'll see what it all looks like. Like I say, I've never disassembled one of these before. I'm just going with what I know from disassembling lots of other vehicles. What is up, guys? In today's video, I will be wrapping my wife's Buick Envista in Milliatone's Piggy Bank Pink. Shout out to Milliatone for hooking it up with this wrap. So we are going to be leaving, and yes, the box is nicely wrecked. Thank you to the shipper. No part on Milliatone for wrecking that. That's 100% shipper and me. They partially wrecked it. I opened it up and it totally split in half. That's neither here nor there. That doesn't matter. What matters is this thing is going pink, and it's going to be cool. So, you know what? I'm not even going to let you guys fully see the color yet. If you guys can imagine what Piggy Bank Pink is, it's going to be wild.